Hello and welcome to the iSlips for Perfect Law Demo. Let's go ahead and launch our app. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to sync our data by selecting the Sync Data tab. And within here we're going to need to set up our login information. We simply use the login option, and as you can see we need to enter in our server URL of the server that we're going to use to access our data, the user ID, and the license ID. Now in order to save time, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and import in that information using a file that we can ask our IT person to send to us that contains that information. So let's go ahead and bring up that email. As you can see, it has an attachment which we can select, confirm that we want to import it, and then within iSlips confirm that that file should come in, and we can select the login settings screen. As you can see, the information has been set up for us. Now that we have that information, we simply press the start button and that will go out, get our pertinent information like clients, matters, activities. Now that we have that information, we can go over to our time and create a new record. And you simply select which client you're doing the work for, the matter, and the activity. As you can see, once you select the activity, it'll automatically fill in the description for you. So now one of the features of iSlips for Perfect Law is the concept of abbreviations. So in this case we have an abbreviation already set up for Conference with Client Concerning with a shortcut of CC, and we'll show you how that works. So very simply, as you're typing along, you simply put in the abbreviation and hit space, period, or whatever, and it will go ahead and expand out that abbreviation. So now that we have some text, go ahead and enter in some time. In this case we'll just go ahead and do 1 hour and save that record. And there we have a time record. Now if we wanted to keep more accurate time spent, we can use the timer. And we simply can either use the switch here to turn it on, or we can do it right here in the list. And as you can see, it'll start ticking away time. Now if we go ahead and close out the app, that timer is actually still running. As you can see, you have an indicator that you have a timer actively running. What we can do is go back into the app. When we're done with whatever activity is, shut off the timer, and we're done. Now that we have time, let's go ahead back to our sync data and do our sync again, and the record's been sent. As you can see, the indicator here shows that there's no more time records remaining. If we go over our time list, it is empty. That is a quick overview and summary of iSlips for Perfect Law.